Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Excel to Xlsx step by step. Open the Excel workbook you want to convert, then use File and choose Save As or Export to pick the Xlsx format. If Save As is grayed out, check for protected view or file permissions and disable protection temporarily. For multiple files, use a batch converter or a simple macro to automate repetitive saves and preserve formulas during conversion. In this video, I will explain how to change Excel to Xlsx step by step. Click File, then Save As, choose the destination folder and select Excel Workbook, Xlsx, from the Save As Type menu. If prompted, accept compatibility checks and review any feature loss notes. Open the new Xlsx file and verify formulas, charts, and conditional formatting to ensure everything transferred correctly after the save. In this video, I will review how to change Excel to Xlsx step by step. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after long editing sessions, because fresh air makes problem solving easier and more fun. If you want the exact product, check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you change Excel to Xlsx step by step. Use Export if your version supports it, or record a simple macro that opens each file and saves as Xlsx to automate batch conversions. For many files, a script or third-party batch tool can save time and keep folder structure intact. After conversion, spot check several files to confirm macros and links remain functional or note any needed fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.